Nsi ya Kenya NIGO bono egenderete kubwaterana n'ense ya Egypt ase esekta y'Obw'Obonchoreria erigotinia Oboamate ase esekta eyo y'Obw'Obonchoreria gati echinse echio ibere aya koreng'ana n'omwaziri hotenete amang'ana echinse echia isiko AIGA Kenya Mheshimiwa Musalia Mudavadi noria hotenete amang'ana echinse echia isiko bw'ense eria ya Egypt Badir Adelati ase bono bakwana n'abarai n'abariki omu basorero ase baenekirie ase bakwana n'abariki amang'ana omu basorero ase omochio Nairobi ase baenekirie Oboamate gati echinse echio ibere bosio BW'ETARO ya bene y'omorai bw'ense eyo ya Egypt gocha ase ense ya Kenya.
Kenya values its long-standing and historic relationship with the Arab Republic of Egypt, a partnership founded on mutual respect, shared African heritage, and a common responsibility for regional stability and progress. Since the establishment of the diplomatic relations in 1964, Egypt has remained a trusted partner to Kenya across political, economic, social, defense, and security cooperation. I recall the joint decision during the state visit to Cairo in January 2025 by His Excellency President William Ruto and His Excellency Abdel Fattah el-Sisi to elevate our relations to a strategic and comprehensive partnership. During that visit, our two governments also signed 12 bilateral agreements, significantly expanding cooperation across key sectors, including trade and investment, education and research, technology, governance, gender equality, youth empowerment, maritime affairs, telecommunications and ICT, space cooperation, housing and urban development, and sustainable development.
My deliberations today with my dear brother, the Honorable Musalia Mudavadi, addressed also the cooperation in the field of energy, trade, investment, and I updated my dear brother with my meeting today with prominent figures from business community here in Kenya, from the Chamber of Commerce. We met today for 2 hours and we discussed a lot of issues of mutual interest, including more Egyptian reliance on strategic commodities we are importing from Kenya. I got some figures today which is expressing how we are mutually dependency on each other, especially with the strategic commodities such as tea, meat, coffee, and other commodities we are importing from this lovely and sisterly country, Kenya.